Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to another video in which we're going to be tackling multi-step inequalities. In this case, we're going to be solving this problem and we're going to try to graph the solution. So let's begin. Okay guys, so whenever we're solving multi-step inequalities, we're basically going to take the same thing, the same rules of a two-step inequality. So whatever we are adding, we're going to move it to the other side subtracting. Whatever we have subtracting, we're going to pass it to the other side adding. If we have a multiplication of a variable and we want to get rid of that number, we're going to pass it to the other side dividing, and vice versa, right? When we multiply and we divide by negative numbers, it's very important that you guys remember that you have to reverse the sign of the inequality. The only thing that is different from a two-step inequality and a multi-step inequality is that we usually have the distributive property, like in this case. So we're going to multiply 2 times 4y and 2 times minus 3. So 2 times 4y is 8y. 2 times minus 3 is going to be minus 6. Then we have minus 2y is lower than minus 22. And then minus 2 times y is minus 2y. And minus 2 times minus 2 is going to be positive 4. Because negative times negative is positive. Now, in this case, what we can do is that we can either move anything that has the variable y to the right or to the left. In this case, we're going to leave it on the left because it's easier to graph that way. So 8y minus 2y, and then we're going to move this minus 2y to the left, so it's going to be plus 2y, is lower than minus 22 plus 4, which are already on the right side, and then this negative 6, we're going to move it as a positive 6. So in this case, we're going to have 8y, right? Because the 2 positive and the negative 2 are going to get canceled. Now we have minus 22 plus 4 and plus 6, which is going to give us a value of minus 12, right? Now the 8 is actually multiplying the y. So whenever we're going to divide, that 8 is going to be y is lower than minus 12 divided by 8. Right? And that is going to give us an answer of y is lower than minus 1.5. Now, we didn't reverse the sign of the inequality because we were dividing by a positive number, okay? So because y is lower than negative 1.5, so guys, whenever we want to graph this answer, we're going to have our line, our number line. So we have 0, and we have negative 1.5. Now, because it's lower than 1.5, we're going to leave an uncolored circle on 1.5, and we're gonna color the area here. So this non-colored white circle is going to mean that the value is not going to be included because we have no equal sign here. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So make sure you rewatch the video if you have any doubts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!